I want to then ask, okay, we know what a parachain is. I like the specific words you used there. You said it's a project specific blockchain that's coming into this blockchain of blockchains network, right? That's really great to really understand that. Now, what's the process of becoming this from a tech perspective? What does that look like?
Like how you become a parachain.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's two ways that we can answer this question, right? It's like the formal process of how like a chain becomes a parachain, and then, as you said, like the technical bits. So so the first bit is like you have to pretty much create a parachain, right? And what does that mean is you have to create like a client and a runtime that they are compatible and they are able to do some operations, right? So once you create like a compatible runtime, and the runtime is pretty much the brains of the blockchain. It's pretty much it's like the part of the blockchain that the nodes use, which contains all the business logics in order to be able to execute transactions, saving the state, and interacting with the rest of the node in a deterministic way. And like given a state and an input, they will produce an output that can be validated by the rest of the nodes. So therefore, in this blockchain that with many nodes that interact with each other, there is like this. This is how it all works together, right? This is like the brains, the rules, like the deterministic way of how you generate blocks. So once you produce like a runtime that is compatible and like to be a parachain, then you have to integrate into your client, as I said before, the Cumulus SDK, and then it all comes like together. You are ready in order to become to start the process of becoming a parachain, which involves you have to showcase that it all works as intended. So you have to show that you can integrate into one of the public testnets, Rococo, and then there is a process where there is an auction where slots will open for people who want for blockchains that want to become parachains, and you have to bid, you have to win that auction, and then given that you have successfully onboarded into the Rococo testnet, and you demonstrated that all is ready, you can go ahead and start becoming a parachain.
Awesome.